Ek sien ook 'n blikkie vis. I also see a tin of fish. Wat lekker sal wees vir aandete. Which will be nice for dinner. Ek vra vir die winkelassistent. I ask the shop assistant. Verskoon my, excuse me. Het julle druiwe? Do you have grapes? Sy antwoord. She answers.
Ja, dis R100 per boks.
Yes, it's R100 per box. Shoo, dis baie duur. Wow, that's very expensive. Ek gaan dit eerder nie nou vat nie. Dankie. I'd rather not take it now. Thank you.
Reg so.
All right then. Waar is die betaaltoonbank? Where is the checkout counter? Sy glimlag en wys in die rigting. She smiles and points in the direction. Dankie. Thank you.
Dis 'n plesier.
You're welcome.